What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create simple shapes in DaVinci Resolve using the Fusion page. This is perfect for adding clean graphics like circles, overlays, or design elements to your videos. First, make sure you're in DaVinci Resolve and open the Effects library. Go to the Effects section, find Fusion Composition, and drag it onto your timeline. Next, click on the Fusion composition in the timeline, then switch to the Fusion page by clicking the wand icon at the bottom of the screen. Now that you're in Fusion, you can start creating shapes. On the left side, click Ellipse, then click Background. Connect the background node to Media Out and connect the ellipse node to the background. As soon as you do this, you'll see a circle appear. That's your shape. To preview it more clearly, switch back to the Edit page. Here, you can adjust the length of the Fusion composition. If you want the circle to appear for 3 seconds, just drag or right-click the clip and change its duration. If you want the circle to fade out at a specific point, move the playhead to where you want it to disappear and shorten the Fusion composition accordingly. And that's it! That's how you create simple shapes in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.